Welcome to this unboxing video of everything I bought in Osaka, Japan, Part 1. On the morning of September 15, 2023, my friend Pat and I decided to go to Edion department store to shop. And I did end up buying a lot of stuff because of her influence, and I would like to share them with you. Bought a whole set of charging essentials for travel purposes because I'm so done with turning cellular data on and off just to conserve battery. Let's start unboxing the power bank that's 10,000 mAh. Pat said to always choose 10,000 so it can power up iPads and laptops, which is of course enticing to corporate traveling girlies like us. It is so hard to unbox using one hand for video and the other one for unwrapping, but I did it for the content anyways. As you can see, I chose the color light purple. Why? Because it is the color of my brand, Glow Keeper. Wanna know what Glow Keeper is? Check out our TikTok and Instagram channels. Going back, the power bank comes with this USB-C cord, which I know I wouldn't use because it is too short. I bought long ones anyway. Naturally, all the cables I bought are the same color. This one's a Type-C lightning cable for my outdated iPhone. I'm still thinking if I'll upgrade to an iPhone 15 this year. The next cable is a Type-C on both sides, so I can use it to charge my laptop as well. I've heard there is a mandate requiring all smartphone companies to adopt a Type-C connector by 2024 as an effort to cut down environmental waste, which I fully support because I am all for sustainability. Next up is a super cute charging head. I don't know what it's called, so I'll just call it as that. It unfolds and folds so it won't damage anything in your purse. See? It's so cute. So, there goes part 1 of all the things I bought in Osaka, Japan. Stay tuned for part 2.